Alright guys, this is part 2 of how to, of paint prep. So I've got my primer here. This is what it is, Rust-Oleum primer. It's just a standard grey primer, I've got it all shaken up. I've got the bike frame up, I've taped all the holes that need to be taped, mask them off. Anything that's threaded, like these have a thread on the top that goes in for the brakes, so I mask them off. I just wiped it down with methylated spirits, which is this methylated spirits, to clean off any oils, fingerprints, oil from the skin, any dirt, dust, debris. So I just wiped it down with a cloth. Yeah, so I'll just set up time lapse of me priming all of this, and then I'll show you what paint I got.
On my own, but I don't know why you hear.
Alright, so I got the priming done. The first side, it came out really rough. I don't know why, but you might be able to see it. Yeah, look at that. That's all really rough. So tomorrow when that dries, I have to wet sand that back. I usually do that with primer anyway, but I have to do it more on this side. Hopefully that goes away. I don't know what it is. Might have been because it's a new can. I did shake it up quite well. This is the other side, it's a lot cleaner. Still a few little bits, but it's quite clean on this side. I reckon it's just because it's a new can. So I'll come back tomorrow. And yeah. Anyway, this is the colour I'm going to be painting it. So candy metallic red. Yeah, super good. I'll test it out. I've got my testing wood over here. I'll get some more light on that. See all that. It's hot. Not really. Let me show on camera. Yeah, I'll paint that on there, and yeah, I'll show you the colour that's going to be. Alright, so I've got the frame all painted up. There was that problem with the primer I was telling you about. Yeah, I still don't know what that was, or why that happened, why it started to get all rough here. But there were some drips and stuff, so I left it for a couple of days to dry fully before I sanded it, because if you've ever tried sanding uncured spray paint, it kind of rolls up and gets it into like a dough or whatever. It's not nice. So I let that dry, sanded it back, and I did actually have to get another can of the paint because I did run out. So yeah, I just got this pretty much full can of the stuff I used today. I also did a little more on the handlebars. I've just got that. I've just got one bolt in there I was just going to take a photo, but it's just balancing there, so I might now do a bit more on the top here. As you can see, that's kind of, yeah, I'll just get that. We're done with that. So yeah, I just need to get some black paint for the cranks, the head of the stem, sprocket, and these parts here. This is something for the brake, I don't know what it is, but it also acts as a spacer, so if I don't have that there, there'll be play up and down, so I have to put that back in, along with all of these spacers. Just get things. All of these, they need to go in there, and they're all kind of different sizes and stuff, so they do, like, if I put them down flat, A couple of them stick out, but that's fine. So I need to paint those stem cranks, and then we're pretty much done. I'm going to repack the bearings when I put everything back together once everything's painted, and I'll clear coat everything. I will paint in these matte black, and I will put a clear coat over them. That does kind of make it look a bit metallic-y, but still not as still not as glossy as it would be, but whatever, it should be fine. Might get some new tyres because mine are pretty worn out. Might get some fatter tyres with more tread. But yeah, I like how this came out. Just remember when you're using a spray can, you want to do light, even coats. You don't need to get everything done at once. But with the last coat, do it a bit thicker. They'll help the paint apply better. And if you do have a run, just let it dry. If your paint starts to sag or drip or whatever, just wait till it's dry before you sand it. You don't wipe it away or anything, because that can mess up the paint around it. So yeah, I'm pretty much done, but I'll come back. I'll add in a photo later of, well, I might, it depends when I upload the video, but I might have time to upload, I might have time to put a photo of in of when the BMX is fully complete. I might not. If not, you just follow me on Instagram, and I'll post some photos up there, maybe some videos and stuff. So yeah, go follow me on Instagram. I'll put it down in the description. So yeah.